Okay, I just lit my first batch of snakes, and here, it looks like it went out already. There we go. Oh, that's a good one. We got it going. Look at that. That's the snake. So this is what 4th of July is all about in freedom. And a whole pile of snakes. Look at that. Oh boy. It's a super big snake because I put a whole pile of snakes together.
I'm almost afraid the house is going to start on fire.
Maybe. This is the coolest thing ever. Better than any aerial fireworks. Yay! Oh my god, it's still going. It's going. It's going. It's going. And we're done. Those are the snakes. Have a good day.